Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the crontab file format, how to read one, and creating your own. My main goal is to help remove a lot of the confusion for you once and for all. Let's jump right in. First, here are a couple of ways to remind yourself of what a crontab file looks like when you forget. One is the Systemwide Crontab file, crontab. The first 5 columns are always minutes of the hour, which can accept values 0 through 59, hour of the day, which can accept values 0 through 23, day of the month, month of the year, and day of the week. Now, I do want to put extra emphasis on what values are accepted per column, as that will be very important later. The 6th column is the username to run the command as, and the 7th column is the command to actually run. 2. Crontab man page. Make sure to specify section 5 and not 1. If we scroll down, we see the first 5 columns specified again. And lower down, we see an example of a user crontab file. A user crontab file is the same as a system-wide crontab file, except no username needs to be specified. And there you have it. A couple of ways to remind yourself of the same thing. If we look back at our crontab file, we can see numbers and asterisks. You can even use commas, dashes, and forward slashes. But more on that in the next section. We are going to focus on the 3rd line right here. Now, the way you read any column is like this. From the list of all possible values, match only these values. Starting with the minute column, from the list of all possible values, 0 through 59, match only these values, 47. At this point, we can say, this script will run on the 47th minute of every hour of every day. Now the hour column, from the list of all possible values, 0 through 23, match only these values, 6. Now we can say, this script will run on the 47th minute of only the 6th hour every day, or 6:47 a.m. every day. Now the day of the month has an asterisk, which is shorthand for match all values. So it looks like this. From the list of all possible values, 1 through 31, match only these values, 1 through 31, which is all of them. And likewise for the month of the year, day of the week. I threw a little curveball at you. You can actually use 0 or 7 for Sunday. Now that we have evaluated each column, we can now say, finally, this script will run on the 47th minute of the 6th hour every day of the month and every month of the year, as long as those days are Sundays. Now, translating the columns to precise English sentences is more of an art than a science. But the main takeaway is, any moment in time must match all 5 columns for the script to fire.